I will not always be your friend. Tell yourself everything's okay.
Hello everybody, welcome to Australia. Of course, I'm in Sydney today. Actually, this morning I just flew in from Fiji and I'm quite tired, but today I've got some good news. We're going to check into the InterContinental Hotel, which is that one just over there. We're on the 29th floor. I'm going to show you the room in just a minute. This is yet another segment in my pretty incredible round the world trip. It's all happening in 20 days. I've gone through every single time zone on the planet. Don't even ask how I cope with the jet lag. But anyway, here we are. Welcome to Sydney, and thanks once again for following my channel. And if you're on my Instagram watching the live stories, again a big thank you. And I guess without further ado, let's go and see the InterContinental Sydney. Well, I think we just have to start with the view, don't we? Check it out. That's the Sydney Harbour. It's famous bridge and the Opera House. Down there, Circular Quay. Down there is the metro, which would take you to the airport if you want to arrive by train. So inside the room, we're on the 29th floor, room 2925. It's obviously it's a Harbour View room. It's also an upgrade as well. A lot of you ask why I'm getting all these upgrades with InterCon. Is there a deal going on? Not really. What happens is I joined IHG for my work, which is the International Hotel Group, and they have hotels like Holiday Inn, among others, Crown Plaza. I think they have Mercure. I could be wrong. Anyway, when you're gold, you almost always get an upgrade, and with the upgrade comes 2 free drinks vouchers as well. So that's the reason why I seem to be getting all these nice rooms. There's no other commercial deal going on. Nah, this is the bed. Got to check it out. Bed test. Oh, it's a classic soft one. I like it with the soft feather pillows. You can request the pillows online when you make the booking. I'll request the feather one because it's super soft. I just messed up the bed now. I'm gonna mess up my Instagram pictures. So here's the workstation. If you're coming to Australia, that's the kind of plug you need, a 3-pin squinty one. I need an adapter because I'm from the UK. What's going on around the corner? Minibar. The minibar. Coffee. Some sweets and snacks. Nice choice of drinks. Look at that. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And then into the bathroom now. This kind of reminds me like of the InterContinental in New York. The InterCon Barclay, because the tiles, it reminds me of the subway, the underground. Amenities are a bit different in this hotel. I don't know why. They normally give you, I think I got some old ones in my back. Yeah, like they'll normally give you something like that. This is a new one for me. I have used it already. It smells pretty goddamn good. Mirror. There's also like a, you can see kind of straight through, but if you want, you can close it. But I think I'll keep it open. And the shower. It's just a nice, good old-fashioned, simple shower. It's not one of those modern ones where it makes you feel a bit retarded because you're trying to operate it. This is just simple hot and water, cold water, boom, just like that. And a bath, which you know I'll never use. More than enough towels for one guy. Anything in here? Ironing board. Yeah, I'm not sure how to use that. All right, let's check out the rest of the hotel. So this is the Harbour View room. This is on the 31st floor. It's looks like a private dining, but what a view. just a little bit higher than the room, but this is almost 360, I think. Pretty good. Anyway, let's keep going. So let's check out the pool. Oh yeah, this is again on the 31st floor. This is the top, is the highest part of the entire hotel. Great view. Just can't get over that view, can you? It's just incredible. Nice. And it's all mine. Where is everybody? Wow. So I ordered the InterContinental Wagyu cheeseburger. Wagyu, I think. Wow, presentation is lovely. Check it out. That is something else. And it just goes down pretty well with that view.
Kind of application. Where do you see that this is developing? I mean,
London, Singapore, Shanghai, New York. Our correspondents have your business world covered. On air, online, and on the media.
So we come to the end of the trip. It's been an epic 2-week round the world, time zone crushing, jet lag sucking trip. But thank you very much for watching the videos along the way. You've seen some nice hotels, we've flown together. If you've got any questions about anything, I'd love to read them and try and answer them if I can in the comments. But thank you so much for being part of the journey, and from me and from everything here behind me in Sydney, Thanks very much, and goodbye.